How do you become someone that great, that brave, that selfless? I guess you can only try. A chief protects his own. We're going back.
You can run the mile, you can walk straight through hell with a smile. You can be a hero, you can get the gold, breaking all the records they thought would never be broke. Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. Are you ever gonna know if you never even try?